Preparing for NEET 2026? Here are some proven study tips to boost your score. Tip 1. Focus on NCERT first. It covers most questions. Tip 2. Make short notes for quick revision. Tip 3. Solve previous year's papers to understand the exam pattern. Alright, so tip 4 is to take timed mock tests and analyze your mistakes. This is super important for tracking your progress and figuring out where you need to improve. Tip 5 is to revise old topics every single week. Don't forget them. Regular revision helps everything stick, you know? Tip 6, and this is crucial, is to give special attention to biology, since it has the highest weightage. Focusing here can really boost your score. And finally, tip 7, take care of your health and keep a positive mindset. If you follow these, you'll feel more confident than ever.